What are you looking at? Let's go see if Breezy's here. Yep. Come on. Don't you bury that in the cat's litter box, because I know exactly what you're going to do with that. I found a piece of leather buried in the cat's litter box. And I know it wasn't the cat that did it. So, okay. I am out here to make a sheath for this, although I have started. Okay, Bruce Gibson made this for me. Made Ricky one too. And I'm making since it is like, it will cut you in your sleep and you're not even in the same room. That's how sharp it is. So I'm making a little sheath for it just to protect the edge. Actually, to protect me, because I'm a very clumsy guy and I will trip and fall and my face will land directly on that. I promise you it will happen if I don't cover that blade. Okay. As soon as this glue dries, I'm going to sew that up, and right now I'm going to cut a piece of leather out for this and get to sewing. All right, I'd made just a little pocket for that to fit into. If I was going to be carrying this around, I'd put a couple of straps over this, or maybe one from the back side to the front side. I don't know, but anyway, it's going right here, and that is just to protect the edge and to protect stupid people from the edge. And believe me, I need protecting from sharp edges. All right, I'm fixing to, this is for the mini skinner, which is basically the neck knife going in a leather sheath. And I'm going to do a fade on this. I'm fixing to sew it up right now. Let me get my holes punched and my thread threaded, and this will be done. And then I'm going to get back to work on my mobile home skirting project. I like it. It's like a sunrise. That's that color is sort of a mix, my own mix. And sorry, Jay, but cat hair is free. Okay, we're done. I will get this boxed up tonight and in the mail. This is Monday, so I will ship this Tuesday. I've already been paid for this, so I'm going to get this in the mail quickly. And now I have a cat on me. It's this bad. Don't you bite my ear. There we go. I'll get them in the mail tomorrow. Okay, I just wanted to show you the best tamagoyaki omelet I've made so far. And this one has a little surprise inside. I managed to roll it up with some sausage in it. And cheese. Yeah. Alright, let me get some of this good stuff on there. And I'm going to dig in. Get the day started.